Okay, this is the third video for my cow pie. So this is third gear that comes, or second gear that comes off here. The way it came off is this spiral snap ring. Then there's a washer. Sorry about that. That goes. And it looks like the side with some marks goes down towards the gear. And in the center here is the bushing. You can see. I'm not going to take it all the way out, but it does come out. And then the dogs obviously face the slider. And then for the last of the trans, there's a washer there, and all this goes towards the output shaft side. To get this shaft off, you have to take the lock off of this nut and then hit it with an impact gun, and then this pulls out. The smallest over here, the biggest over here, and I imagine this shaft goes out this direction. And your last gear, I already took that nut off, but that is over here. So there's a bearing on each side of this shaft, a regular old bearing, which will need to be, both of those will need to be replaced. And that should about cover it. Also, while we're at it, sorry about that on the video. The phone's dead and had to plug it in. This is where to get the name, the cow pie. This is the side cover. I think I may put a kicker on this. And we'll go from there. And be another video, I guess.